Hello guys, welcome to another video of whale trading, where we learn how institutions and entities move the market. Remember, a successful trader always ride the waves of these whales and become part of the smart money instead of resisting and confronting them and getting wrecked. When shifting to a new strategy, always remember to start low and test a few trades to see if it performs as good on your specific timeline, trading pair, and market before going big. In this video, I will be showing you an insanely profitable trading strategy with high profit margins, comparing the risk of the position. So let's begin. Let's start out with the basic indicators we will need for this strategy. The ADX indicator with setting on default, and a 20-period EMA line on the chart. After that, we will put a horizontal line on the ADX at the value of 30 and we are set up. This strategy can be used to take both long and short positions. Let's move to the rules of taking trades on this strategy. Rule number 1. To take long position, price has to be above the EMA line. Rule number 2, the ADX must be above the 30 line. Rule number 3, the price must pull back and hit the 20 EMA line. Remember, the price must not close below the line. After that, we wait for our trigger for entry. That is the candle that closes above the high of the candle that hit the EMA line. We take entry at the close of this candle, putting our stop loss below the low of the candle that hit the EMA line. Profit target for this strategy will vary for each trade. We will close the trade and book profit when the price rise above the swing high. After that, we will start trailing and book profit when price hit the EMA line. As you can see, the swing high is right here. The price rose above this point. That's our trigger to start trailing our profit. We start trailing and take profit right here, when the price hits the EMA line. As you can see, the profit for this specific trade was 7 times the risk. By following this take profit strategy, we can book insanely high profits going up to 5 to 10 times the risk. Let me show you another example of taking long position. As you can see, all the conditions are met. Price is above 20-period exponential moving average. ADX is above the 30 line. The price pulls and hit the EMA line and did not close below the line. We take our long position. Putting stop loss below the low of the candle that hit the EMA line and did not close below the line. Price rose above the swing high. Now we start trailing our profit. Price hits the EMA line. We close our position and take the profit. As you can see, the profit for this specific trade was 7 times the risk. That's how you take successful long positions on this strategy. Now let's move to taking short positions. To take short position on this strategy, the price has to be below the 20 EMA line. ADX has to be above the 30 line, just like in the long positions. The price pulls and hit the 20 EMA line and do not close above the EMA line. Then we wait for our trigger, that is the next candle that closed below the low of the candle that hit the EMA line. Now we open our short position, putting the stop loss above the high of the candle that hit the EMA line and closed below the line. And start trailing profit after the price fall below the recent swing low. We close the trade and book profit when the price hits the EMA line. As you can see, the profit margin for this trade was 6 times the risk. That's how we take successful short positions on this strategy. Remember, this is a high timeline strategy because of the tight stop loss, so it's best to use it on timelines above 1 hour. You have to understand that not every time take profit will be hit. Sometimes you will be stopped out. There is no strategy with 100% hit target ratio. Key is to stay consistent to a trading setup, and in the long run it will be profitable. If you liked this strategy, and if it has helped you in taking successful trades, like, comment, and subscribe to let the algorithm know that you want to see more of new videos like this. Best of luck with your trading journey.